Hello beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the Real Techniques 11-piece travel fantasy mini brush set, a must-have for makeup lovers on the go. This versatile set includes everything you need for a flawless face: an expert concealer brush, multitask brush, contour brush, medium sculpting brush, medium shadow brush, definer brush, spoolie, smudge brush, base shadow brush, shading brush, and a convenient makeup bag to keep it all organized. Whether you're applying liquid, cream, or powder products, these mini brushes are designed to deliver seamless application for foundation, eyeshadow, setting powder, blush, bronzer, highlight, contour, and brow products. Perfectly sized for travel, this set fits easily into your gym bag, suitcase, or even your purse, making it ideal for touch-ups on the fly. Real Techniques is renowned for offering premium, high-quality tools that cater to both beginners and professional makeup artists, all while remaining cruelty-free and vegan. With aluminum ferrules and ultra-plush, custom-cut synthetic bristles, these brushes ensure your makeup looks as good as your tools feel. Gift this set to the makeup lover in your life for any occasion, and watch them create magic with every stroke. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.